Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this gorgeous Ford Fiesta 1.0T Turbo EcoBoost ST-Line X 3-door. Now this vehicle has currently done 75,640 miles and it's finished in the colour Shadow Black. It does come with 4 previous services. It's a very stylish, sporty looking vehicle. It does sit nicely on the 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. There are also power folding door mirrors that automatically fold in when you lock the vehicle. Here in the boot you'll find 292 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,093 with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you'll find your gorgeous part leather interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Here up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction flat bottom steering wheel. Round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. On the steering wheel here you do have your cruise control and speed limiter. There's controls for the infotainment system, as well as the trip display in the instrument cluster here on the right. On this display you've got access to a whole range of different information. You've got your driver assist features, including your traffic sign recognition, lane keeping system and driver alert. You can also access navigation, audio, your telephone, and there are some system and vehicle settings there, and of course your standard trip data. In the centre of the dashboard here you have the touchscreen sync-free infotainment system that has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There is also USB and auxiliary inputs and even Bluetooth where you can safely make hands-free phone calls. You also have navigation to ensure you're never lost. There is even access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to keep you well connected with your smartphone. You've got some system and vehicle settings there. The system's very easy to use. Below it you'll find your automatic climate control. In the centre here you've got some storage, a 12-volt socket, USB connectivity, 6-speed manual gear selector. Behind this you'll find your eco mode, traction control and start-stop system. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.